Crash. Hey, are you excited for your vet appointment tomorrow? Because I know I'm not. Oh my god, look at you. What a pretty girl. She knows, see? She knows. She's like, yeah, just keep going. Yeah, baby. Wow, pretty girl. With your little fancy feet. Wow. Oh my god. How could anything be so beautiful? The current time is 7:12 a.m. For most of you, that's not very early, but for me it is because your girl don't have a job yet. We're wondering, the fuck are you doing up at 7 a.m. on a Tuesday morning? Because I scheduled an appointment for Crash at the vet at 9:30. Probably just like, dude, that's like 2 hours away. Well, with Crash, getting her into a carrier is a fucking chore. So I wanted to plan ahead, try and eat some breakfast, get ready, and then try and force that little shit into her carrier. I'm not taking her because she's sick. I'm just trying to get her acquainted with her new vet since we just moved here from Hawaii like a few months ago. So hopefully everything goes smooth. I will definitely bring you guys along for the ride. I'll probably use my GoPro because I need my phone for my GPS. And here we have the guest star. Or the star of the show, actually. Crash Salad. Crash. Don't let that cute face fool you. She can actually be a little shit sometimes, but regardless, I still love her. But yeah, wish me luck. I'll film me trying to get her into the carrier, and we'll just see how that goes. Alright, see you guys. Bro, this is gonna suck. I'm gonna try and lure Crash down here. Yeah. Treats. She knows. Here, there's more in here. She's like, I don't want those. I want the ones in your hand. I hate this. Wish me luck. Baby. Come on, Crash. Okay. That's not gonna work. Be okay. Yep, she knows. Can I see your face? I love you. Come here. I don't have time for this. This is why I wish Indo were home. Look. You thought. Here, baby. I'm so sorry, Crash. I know, it's okay. I know, I'm sorry. Alright guys, we made it in the car. Crash is not having it right now. Kinda early, but just want to get this shit over with. So we'll get there by 8:51 even though we were it's at 9:30. But whatever, I just wanted to get this over with. Like you could see earlier, it's a fucking pain in the ass getting this little girl into her carrier. Backstory to how we got Crash. First of all, I'm not really a cat person. I know Crash. So it was like 2 years ago. Indo's good friends came to come visit us in Hawaii. They would occasionally chill in our garage just to smoke and stuff. And then I remember it was one of the nights where I was chilling with them, and I had the day off the next day, and I decided, hey, I want to drink with these guys. Since, you know, I got the day off, I haven't seen them in forever. So I'm taking shots and just chilling with them. All of a sudden, I hear that meowing. I think there was like 2 kittens. One was really friendly and came into the garage to talk to us. It was Crash. I was like, hey, we should try and trap it and like play with it. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, so I saw Crash come in, and then I tried to trap her by closing the garage, but she just darted out and freaked out. I was like, okay, we probably won't see that cat again. The next night, the guys went to a rave or something in Honolulu, and he dropped him off, and then I was like, I kind of need to go home because I got work the next day, and so did my husband. So we went home. And you know, we just went to bed. The guys kind of came in like late. I think it was like 1 a.m. and they were just chilling in the garage smoking as usual. I wake up, ready, head downstairs. And what is it that I see? I see Indo's friend Everett. He was sleeping on the couch and like, hold on. So I get downstairs, Everett's on the couch. He just woke up and he has this like brown fuzzball laying on him. And I'm just like, yo, what the fuck, Everett? And he's just like, by the way, Jen, you have a cat now. And the rest of it was history. They gave her a name, Crash, because she'd always crash to the floor and crash into walls. Yeah, usually when Indo says, like, I kind of want to keep this pet, if he says yes, then I do too. I'm so glad I got up early this morning. I knew this was going to be a fucking pain in the ass, just getting her in there. Carry her. Jesus. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but like back there, the wall straight up said hang Trump. Yikes. Yes, I heard you the first time.
Jeremy's Vet Clinic, this is Jamie.
Hi, just checking in for Crash.
For Crash?
Yeah.
Okay, your appointment's not actually till 9:30.
Yeah, I know. I'm just, I wanted to check in early just in case.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yeah, give me a few minutes and I will bring out some new client paperwork for you to fill out, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, bye-bye.
Alright, thanks. Oh, that seemed like a dick.
Oh, your hair is so cute. I love that color.
Thank you.
I just need you to fill out the top part.
Okay, thanks. I feel like I'm like ordering food. Number 1, please. Crash, you want fries with that? So let's chill here. And now I'm trying to solve the mystery of if Crash pooped or not. It just smells shitty around here. Okay, baby. Vets are usually nice to you, even though you're a brat. It's okay. Fuck, I really hope you didn't poop or pee. Oh shit, I think you really did poop. I just caught whiff of it. So sorry. So they just took Crash in. And, I'm pretty sure that she pooped. But I got it smelled like fucking poop in here. Other than that, they seem pretty friendly. And, hopefully they don't really find anything that I didn't see. For the most part, Crash is fine. She's fine. So now we just wait here. The nurse came back out to, tell me something, and I thought it was about Crash pooping in the carrier, but it was actually just her asking if she could clip her nails. I don't know how to do it. I don't really know what to do till then.
late. Trimmed her nails. She did have an accident in her carrier.
I'm so sorry.
No, that's okay. It just got on the blanket. It didn't get on the underpadding, so I just took the blanket off.
Awesome.
So she
Thank
wouldn't
you.
get it like all messed up. And we took all the poop off. Don't worry.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, the doctor is gonna come say hi. Okay?
Okay, cool. I freaking knew it, Crash. Pooped. Wow. Good job. You're like, fuck you.
Hello.
You're the big man's mama? You were shocked.
Really? I'm so sorry.
No, I mean nothing hurt. Just, I looked at it and said, oh my God, those are daggers.
What is
But
your
she
name,
looked-
sir?
I'm Dr. Shapiro.
I'm Jen.
Hi, Jim. So when did you move from the Big Island, right?
No, Oahu.
Oahu?
Yeah. We moved here two or 3 months ago.
But she looks good.
Oh yeah?
Everything's fine.
I just gotta scan her
She's a
microchip real
little
quick.
bit But she's good. Everything looks fine.
Okay.
She's done married, but she should be good to go.
Oh good, okay.
We'll get you a reminder to go to life.
Okay, awesome.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Oh, what's that thing?
It's for her microchip,
Oh, okay.
so we can put it in our chart.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Okay, do you want me to take your card?
Yeah.
Thank you. Be right back. I can see why this place got 5 stars. That is so nice. It's okay, baby. Get all the treats you want when you get home.
Here is your receipt. The top copy is your credit card slip. The bottom copy is the account receipt. Here's your card.
Thank you.
There you go. Have a good one.
You too. The doctor said nothing's wrong with Crash, so that's good. He said the only thing that was wrong was her nails. She fucking pooped, but what do you do? Can't wait to get home. Oh, me too, Crash. Anyway, so for you pet owners out there, fun fact, there's actually pet insurance. Right now we put Crash on, what's it called? What do you call that? It's called Embrace. We found it through our car insurance, which is USAA. We take Crash to the vet, and then pay out of pocket for the visit. And depending on whatever plan you have, you can just scan the receipts and then send it to them, and then they reimburse you. Oh, I'm in the bike lane. What the fuck am I doing? Don't tell anyone. I'm almost home, baby. Yes. We're like 2 minutes away, literally. I can do louder than you can. Why? Home. Maybe you're home.
Hey guys, do you remember how dramatic she was being earlier? Well, watch this. See, all of a sudden she's like, what? We're home? Wow, I'm so happy. Look at her tail. She's just all excited now. She's like, I'm so traumatized. I'm so glad to be home. Your face.